Hey guys, this is my new Lego candy machine. So you just load your gumball up. So you take 25 cents, put the coin slot and your candy comes out. But there's no candy, so you take 25 cents, put it in the coin slot, and your candy comes out. If you're wondering where your money is, you can't shake it out. You really just can't. So over here, you see this little Lego brick. You pull that, your money's right there. And if you're wondering how it works, let me just unroot it. So the gumball is sitting right there on that little plate thing. When you put in a quarter, it comes out. Then your quarter sits down there. It falls, get your money. So yeah, and it's pretty simple design, but I like it. So just roof it off. It took me about an hour, 2 hours to build this machine. Let me show you it one more time. There goes my logo. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it right now, so yeah, that's my Lego candy machine. It's out there. If you have some way better that makes my locking mechanism thing, I can put it in that way. But please comment and say if you can any way better to make that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.